Hi all, I am Hari from Compliance. Thank you for the support that you gave for our other videos. As we see, Zatca has announced e-invoicing regulation for companies with turnover more than 100 million real in 2022. There are different deadlines for companies falling under different waves. We have written a detailed blog on the same. Please check out using the details given in the description. Today, in this video, I'm going to explain how we can get a Epicor ERP compliant with Zatca's Phase 2 e-invoicing regulation. So there are majorly three different ways in which you can get a Epicor ERP connected to Zatca's Fatura platform. The first way is by building an internal application using Epicor's Kinetic App Studio. So the second way is by using Jitterbit. And the third way is by directly connecting to Epicor's MySQL DB. Fundamentally, Epicor's Kinetic framework has 4 different layers which allows you to create customized application which can be powered using external APIs like compliance platform APIs, and you can get connected to Zatca's Fatura portal. So the complete process will be automated, complete compliance process will be automated. So here you will save a lot of time through the automations. The second way is using Jitterbit, where you can connect Epicor to third-party applications like compliance platform to get compliant with Zatca. The third option is directly integrating to Epicor's MySQL database. We have a ready-made adapter application which can directly integrate to the MySQL database of Epicor and get you compliant quickly. So we have a specialized onboarding team at Compliance who can understand your requirements. See, even if you are using multiple ERPs, multiple different branded ERPs, we can analyze your requirements, put it together, build a common interface and connect it to Zatca within weeks to go live in production for Phase 2. Do reach out to us using the details given in the description for a hassle-free, quick e-invoicing compliance. Thank you.